Hello kids, let's start ABC small alphabets. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for God. H. H for horse. I. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. K. K for kite. L. L for lemon. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for coin. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sparrow. T. T for tomato. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y. Y for York. Z. Z for zebra. We completed. Bye.